elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into the art of the sunroom seating area, the ultimate sanctuary for light seekers and relaxation enthusiasts. A sunroom seating area is a specialized zone within a glass-enclosed living space designed specifically to maximize exposure to natural light while providing the comfort of an indoor environment. Unlike a standard living room which relies on artificial lighting and solid walls, a sunroom seating area is defined by its transparency. It serves as a transitional bridge between your interior decor and the natural landscape outside. It is more than just a place to sit. It is a curated wellness nook, where the architecture is built to invite the sun in, creating a bright, airy atmosphere that feels expansive and connected to the rhythms of the day. The advantages of a sunroom seating area extend far beyond simple aesthetics. From a health perspective, these spaces act as a natural mood booster by increasing your exposure to vitamin D and regulating your circadian rhythm through consistent natural light. It is the perfect spot for soft fascination, a psychological state where you can relax your mind by watching birds, swaying trees, or falling rain, effectively reducing stress and anxiety. Architecturally, a well-designed sunroom seating area adds significant square footage and market value to your property, providing a versatile room that functions as a morning coffee retreat, a peaceful home office, or a sophisticated secondary lounge for entertaining guests. It allows you to enjoy the beauty of the four seasons from a climate-controlled environment, keeping you warm in the winter and shaded in the summer. To make your sunroom seating area look professionally designed, you must balance the hard elements of glass and metal with soft interior layers. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette that complements the view outside. Earthy tones, soft whites, and sky blues often work best. Use rugs to define the seating zone and prevent the furniture from floating on the hard flooring. Since sunrooms have high visual activity from the windows, keep the furniture profiles relatively low to avoid obstructing the view. Layering textures is key. Think linen curtains to diffuse harsh midday glare, woven baskets for storage, and plush velvet or cotton pillows to add a sense of luxury. Finally, don't forget the transition. Use large indoor plants to mirror the greenery outside, making the glass walls feel almost invisible. Selecting the right pieces is crucial because of the unique environmental factors such as high UV exposure. The best items include UV-resistant fabrics, like Sunbrella, for your upholstery to prevent fading over time. Natural materials like wrought tan, wicker, and light-toned woods like white oak or teak are perfect because they echo the outdoor vibe while remaining durable. For seating, consider a mix of a deep-seated sofa and lightweight accent chairs that can be easily moved. A central coffee table, perhaps in marble or reclaimed wood, provides a functional focal point. Lighting is also vital. While the sun handles the day, a statement oversized pendant or a sleek floor lamp is necessary for evening ambience. Finally, adding a ceiling fan can help circulate air, ensuring the space remains comfortable even when the sun is at its peak. Now let's dive deep into the best 10 sunroom seating area designs. One, the Coastal Conservatory Dining Nook. This design features a stunning gabled glass roof that floods the space with top-down light. The focal point is a beautiful round lightwood table paired with modern white chairs featuring woven seagrass seats. The contrast between the crisp white wall paneling and the dark, oversized dome pendant light creates a sophisticated, nautical-inspired atmosphere. This setup is perfect for those who want their sunroom to function as both an intimate dining area and a bright morning retreat. 2. Modern Luxe Fireside Lounge. Redefining rustic luxury, This sunroom centers around a massive floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace. The seating features an ultra-modern curved white sofa and matching minimalist armchairs placed on a high-pile gray shag rug. The black-framed glass walls offer a seamless transition to the patio, while the warm wood ceiling and sleek ceiling fan ensure the room feels cozy despite its grand, industrial modern proportions. 3. Traditional octagonal timber escape. This classic sunroom celebrates the warmth of natural wood with an intricate octagonal vaulted ceiling and exposed beams. The seating area is composed of high-quality wicker sofas with neutral patterned cushions, arranged around a glass-topped wicker coffee table. The addition of large cacti and a central floral arrangement reinforces the indoor-outdoor theme, making it a timeless choice for traditional suburban homes. 4. The verdant botanical sanctuary. For the true plant lover, this sunroom seating area is a literal indoor garden. Rattan armchairs with plush white cushions are nestled among a variety of large-leaf tropical plants. A weathered wood coffee table and a soft blue patterned rug ground the space, while the sheer volume of greenery creates a private, oxygen-rich oasis that feels like a hidden forest clearing. 5. Classic white-framed family conservatory. This is the quintessential bright and airy sunroom. With white PVC frames and a faceted glass roof, the light is maximized from every angle. The furniture is approachable and comfortable, featuring cream-colored leather sofas and a dark wood coffee table. It is an ideal space for family gatherings, offering a panoramic view of the backyard while maintaining a clean, suburban aesthetic. 6. Minimalist panoramic dining solarium. Focusing on clean lines and unobstructed views, this sunroom uses slim white frames to showcase the surrounding landscape. The seating area is minimalist, featuring a simple wooden table and high-backed wicker chairs. The dark slate tile floor provides a sharp contrast to the bright sky, creating a modern, gallery-like feel that lets the outdoor scenery do all the talking. 7. Industrial lakeside modern retreat. This high-end design utilizes black steel-framed windows to create a bold, graphic look. The seating area features low-profile gray furniture with vibrant yellow piping, arranged on a dark stone floor. The view of the autumn trees and the lake beyond is perfectly framed, making this sunroom a masterclass in using industrial materials to highlight natural beauty. 8. Mediterranean Forest Observation Room. This unique space features exquisite patterned floor tiles and dark wood ceiling beams that give it a Mediterranean villa vibe. The seating is eclectic, combining chunky wicker sofas with circular rattan dining chairs. Large sliding glass doors open directly into a dense forest, providing an immersive nature experience while sitting in a warm, textured interior. 9. The Grand Neoclassical Orangery. This sunroom redefines luxury with its soaring arched windows, stone-clad walls, and classical columns. The seating area is formal yet inviting, featuring white slip-covered armchairs and green wicker accent chairs. Crystal lanterns and a glass pyramid roof make this a high-drama space that feels like a historic European estate brought into the modern era. 10. Eclectic greenhouse living space. Perfect for cozy evenings, this sunroom uses dark frames to create a moody, intimate vibe. A bold orange velvet sofa adds a pop of color against the forest backdrop, while hanging ferns from the glass rafters emphasize the vertical space. The mix of an oriental rug, a wooden dining set, and traditional lamps makes this feel like a lived-in, soulful part of the home. Creating the perfect sunroom seating area is all about understanding how you want to feel in the space. Whether you crave the sleek lines of a modern solarium or the cozy, plant-filled warmth of a traditional conservatory, the key is to let the light lead your design choices. By prioritizing comfort, durable materials, and a seamless connection to the outdoors, you can transform an ordinary room into the most popular destination in your home. If you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 sunroom seating area designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more home inspiration every week. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
you.